sometimes when you do like those crazy colors, they show up a little better when your hair is really bright. So we're going to show you the process of what we do for that. And so we're going to take her a little lighter and then we're going to do her pink. So let's go. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go through and we're just going to baby light her hair. Nothing too crazy, but her natural color is so perfect because it's really so light anyway. So we're just going to kind of brighten it up. Nothing too crazy. And then after that, we always start in the back because it's just so much easier, because when the back's done, then we can, when the back's done, then we can rinse the back and then start on the top. So we're just gonna lighten her up a little bit, and when we do it, we try to do really skinny, small pieces, as you can see, just so that it will lighten so easy. And it also makes it so she doesn't have roots hardly at all. So that's kind of nice too. Because she literally gets her hair colored, what, like every 6 months? I swear we don't color her hair very much at all. And so we want to keep it that way. And not do anything too crazy. So that's why we keep doing little tiny small baby lights. Just so we can keep a lot of her natural color in there, so she still has a lot of depth and a lot of her natural base, and that way she won't have roots and it will be more natural. I think a lot of times too, I feel like less is more. I think a lot of times people, they either overweave it or they get rid of their natural base, and so that's what causes like brassiness and stuff like that, because a lot of people are so into like purple shampoos. Did you ever have to use a purple, Kayla? Not really. Just maybe that's a yeah. Like, I feel like a lot of people, if they would just stick to their natural base and really not lift anything past, like, just kind of lighten everything up like the sun would almost, I feel like then it's so nice because you don't have that brassy problem. And then also a lot of people do want crazy colors, and we try to definitely stick to more semi-permanent bright colors, just so the same reason. Like, I don't want to make it so that I have to go back and fix a lot of stuff. So I definitely want to make it to where it stays natural. So I just feel like a lot of my clients don't have to use purple shampoo unless we're doing a lot of color correcting from like old color that's on there. Then that's when they'll have to use it for just a couple times till we get a lot of their natural color coming back through. But just, it's so much better because a lot of my clients, they don't get their hair highlighted like maybe 2 or 3 times a year. And I feel like it's just so much better on your hair, and their hair gets so healthy. Okay, so now we're gonna make her really pop in the front. So this section up here, I'm really doing tinier and closer together. And then we're going to take the Chrissy and we're going to spray it on, and we're just going to kind of comb it through, make it really even. I'm going to even spray it on the roots. I'm going to spray it everywhere because I want it to be super even, and I want it to be really saturated. So we're going to do that first. Okay, so there you have it. She is bubblegum pink. And sometimes I'll take my back home and I'll just kind of brush it out a little bit. And then we're going to have a little photo shoot with her. And she will be good to go. You kind of watch us. We'll show you how we take pictures and all that stuff. And that's it. But thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.